Standard 3 Maths, Chapter number 6, Fun with Give and Take. In this video, we will solve Find the Missing Numbers, Mental Maths and Practice Time. Page number 85. Find the missing numbers. This you learn already. Look at the number pattern and write the missing numbers. 100, 200, 300. So it is increased by 100. So after 300 we will add in 100, then we will get 400 because it is increasing by 100. So 400 plus 100, 500. Then 600 already given, then 700. Next, B, 900, 800, 700. We can understand this. It is decreasing by 100. यानी कि 100 less हो रहे हैं. 900 minus 100, 800. 800 minus 100, 700. So 700 minus 100, 600. So we will write here 600. You can write here 600. Then 600 minus 100. We have to decrease by 100. Then it is 500. You can write in this train. 400 is given. And 400 minus 100, it is 300. Next, 50, then 100. Then 150. Then 200. It is increasing by 50. 50 plus हो रहे हैं. So 200 plus 50, 250. 250 plus 50, 300. 300 plus 50, 350. And 350 plus 50, 400. Next, 300, 250. Then 200. What you observe? It is decreasing. Less हो रहा है. कितना less हो रहा है? 300 minus 250 करें, then we will get 50. So it is decreasing by 50. 50 decrease हो रहे हैं, कम हो रहे हैं. So 250 minus 50, 200. 200 में से 50 निकालो, then it is 150. 150 में से 50 निकालो, it is 100. And 100 minus 50, 50. Next, question mark is given. First, 25, 35 and 45. Only these three number given. These two we have to search. This also we have to search. Let's see 25 and 35. 35, 45. This side they are increasing. And 45, 35, 35, 25. This side decreasing. Right side increase हो रहा है. Left side decrease हो रहा है. Now 25 plus 10, 35. 35 plus 10, 45. So 45 plus 10, 55. And 55 plus 10, 65. Now we'll go leftward. Left side. 45 minus 45 minus करो. Then we will get here 35. Then 35 minus 10 करो. Then we will get 25. So if we will minus 25 minus 10, 25 minus 10, then 15. So 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65. 280, 260, 240. What you understand? 80, 40, 60, 40. It is decreasing. Decrease हो रहा है, कम हो रहा है. It is decreasing by 20. 20. Decrease हो रहा है, minus हो रहा है. So 40 minus 20, 240 minus 20. So 220. 220 minus 20, 200. 200 minus 20, 200 में से 20 निकालो, that is 180. And 180 minus 20, 80 minus 20, it is 160. Next, 125, 150. We'll observe this last two digit. Then 175, 200. कितना इंक्रीज हो रहा है? कितना इंक्रीज हो रहा है? इट इज इंक्रीजिंग बाय 25. 25 प्लस हो रहा है. 25 प्लस 25 50. 150 प्लस 25 175 प्लस 25 200. So let's add 25. 25 प्लस करो. Then 225. Then we got the next answer 250. Again 250 plus 25. Plus 25. Then 275. Again we will add 25. Then we will get 300. Next, page number 86. Mental maths. This also we already done. That 2-digit subtraction missing numbers. Missing numbers we learn. 80 minus 35. 45 answer we got. Then 45 plus 35. We will play in this 3 number only. 80, 35 and 45. 80 minus 35, 45. Then 45 plus 35. This 3 number. Third number we will get. Then next 50. This we have to find out. Now 75 and difference. Answer we have. Answer मिला है. We have answer. We have to find out the subtrahend, middle number. To find out the middle number, what we will do? We will subtract these two. If we want to find out this middle number, क्या करेंगे? Difference, minuend minus difference. 75 minus 50. 75 minus 50, we will get 25. Already we learn. So, 2 numbers दिया है, 2 digit है, then we will subtract. Then we will get the third digit. Then 50 plus 25. 50 plus 25. 50 plus 25, which is the third number? 75. We'll play in this 3 number only. Then 100 minus 60 and 50. Can you guess? What is the answer? Yes, which is the third number? 50. 50 is the answer. Here 50 plus 60. Which number is remain? This one. So this is our answer. Then 320 minus 120. 320 minus 120. 320 में से 120 minus करो तो what we will get? 200. 200 answer. Now here we will play here in this 3 number only. 320, 120 and 200. 320 is equal to 120 and this. We have to find out this number. What is this? This is the minuend. This is the subtrahend. And this is the difference. To find out the minuend, what we will do? What we will do? Find out. We will subtract these two. Otherwise, we'll play in this 3 number only. ये दोनों मिल गए हैं number. These 2 number we have. Which number remain? Only this number remain. So this will come here. Our answer is 200. 200 plus 100, 120. 320. This is the mental maths. Next, page number 87. Practice time. Practice time, page number 87. Indu's pencil is 15 centimeter long. The length of the pencil is 15 centimeter. Jyoti's pencil is 18 centimeter long. Jyoti's pencil is 18 centimeter long. Whose pencil is longer and how much longer? Whose pencil? So we will write here first Indu's pencil. Indu's pencil. The length of Indu's pencil is 15 centimeter and the length of Jyoti's pencil is 18 centimeter. Whose pencil is long? Yes, whose it is long? This Jyoti's pencil is long. We can write that Jyoti's pencil is long. And how much? Kitni long hai? We have two numbers. So what we have to do? Comparison. Comparison hai. Then what we will do? Subtraction. So bigger number will write up 18 minus 15. We have to find out that pencil of Jyoti is longer, but how much? Kitni long hai? Kitna difference hai? For that we have to do the subtraction. 8 minus 5, 3 and 1 minus 1, 0. So 3 centimeter longer. How much? That is 3 centimeter longer. In some textbook, instead of 18, 8 only given. In some textbook, it is only 8 given. So, your answer will change. If it is 8 hai, then Indu's pencil is 15 centimeter and Jyoti's pencil is 8 centimeter. Then who's long? Indu's pencil is longer. And how much? So, 15 minus 8 karo. 15 minus 8. What is the answer? Answer is 7. 7 centimeter longer. If in your textbook 18 is given, then this is your answer. And if in your textbook 8 is given, then this is your answer. Next, ask your papa or mummy price of 1 kilogram salt, 1 kilogram sugar, and which one is more costly? How much more does it cost? Once again, ask your papa or mummy price of 1 kilogram salt. What is the price of 1 kilogram salt? Approximately 12 rupees or 10 rupees, 15 rupees. So we can write here 15 rupees. Okay. Now sugar. Price of sugar. Price of sugar we can write it is 40 rupees or 40 to 38, that we can write. Now which one is more costly? Costly यानी कि महंगा क्या है? Salt or sugar? Salt or sugar? Which one is costly? Obviously sugar is costly. So we can write sugar is costly. Now how much more does it cost? How much more does it cost? So two numbers we have. कितना ज़्यादा उसका कॉस्ट है? सॉल्ट का 15 रुपीज़, शुगर का 40 रुपीज़. कितना रुपीज़ ज़्यादा है? So for that once again we will do the subtraction. Bigger number up and smaller number down. 40 rupees the price of sugar and 15 rupees price of salt. Now 40 minus 50, 0 minus 5 is not possible. So we'll borrow. Then here 4 will give 1 tens and 4 is decreasing by 1 and it has remained 3. 10 plus 0, 10. 10 minus 5, 5 and 3 minus 1, 2. So how much more does it cost? 25 rupees more. Number 3. Ajay cooked chapatis in 25 minutes. Ajay cooked chapati in 25 minutes. He takes 25 minutes to cook chapati. Then he made dal in 15 minutes. For chapati 25 minutes and to make dal, to prepare dal 15 minutes. How much time did he take to cook both things? Once again, how much time did he take to cook both the things? Both the things यानी chapati and dal. To cook chapati, he takes 25 minutes and to dal, he takes 15 minutes. दोनों पकाने के लिए कितना चाहिए टाइम? So what we will do? Addition, because we have to find out for the both thing. So we will do the addition. 5 plus 5, 10. 0 is here. 1 is carrying forward. 2 plus 1, 3. And plus 1, 4. So, 40 minutes. Ajay will take 40 minutes to cook both the things. Question number 4. 4 number. Chanchal sells school sweaters. Chanchal sells school sweaters. In 2 days, she sold some red, blue and grey color sweater. 3 color sweaters are there, red, blue and grey. Sweater sold on first day. First day she sold red 38, blue 66 and grey 74. And sweater sold on second day. Red 40, blue 23 and grey 89. Look at the above and answer the followings. Some questions are given. How many grey sweaters did Chanchal sell in 2 days? How many grey sweaters Chanchal sell in 2 days? Second day or 2 days? 2 days means both the day. First and second both. So, grey sweater on first day she sold 74 and second day 89. We have to find out for the both the days. First and second दोनों मिलके कितने हुए? So, for that we will do the addition. First day she sold 74 sweaters and second day she sold 89 sweaters. We have to find for both the day. So, we will do the addition. 4 plus 9 or 9 plus 4, it is 13. Bigger number के अंदर smaller number add करो. It is easier than that. So, 9 plus 4, 13. 3 is here. 1 is carrying forward. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 8. 8 and 8, 16. So, 163 sweaters. Chanchal sell 163 sweaters. Which sweaters? Grey. Grey sweaters in 2 days. Next question. Did she sell more red sweaters than blue sweaters in 2 days? Did she sell more red sweaters than blue sweaters? First, let's see red sweaters in 2 days and blue sweaters 2 days. दोनों दिन होके कितने total sweaters she sold? Okay, total red sweater and total blue sweaters, that we will find out and then we will compare कि red ज़्यादा sell किए हैं या blue ज़्यादा sell किए हैं. Okay, so we will write first red sweater. Red sweater at both the day. Red for red. First day she sold 38 and second day she sold 40. And blue. Blue, first day she sold 66 and second day she sold 23. Now we will add because we have to find out the total numbers of sweater. Total red sweater and total blue sweaters. 8 plus 0, 8. 4 plus 3, 7. 6 plus 3, 6 is 7, 8 and 9. 9. And 6 plus 2, 6 is 7 and 8. 89. So, red sweater 78 and blue sweater 89. Now, what is the question? Did she sell more red sweater than blue sweaters in 2 days? Red sweater ज़्यादा सोल्ड किए हैं, सेल किए हैं या ब्लू ज़्यादा सेल किए हैं? Blue ज़्यादा सेल किए हैं. So, we will write here no. Chanchal did not sell more red sweaters than blue sweaters in 2 days. See, how many red and grey sweaters did she sell on the first day? For first day only we will see how many red and grey. How many red and grey she sell on first day. So, on first day, red sweater 38 and Grey sweaters 74. On first day, she sold red 38 and 74 grey sweaters. So we have to find total in all. So 8 plus 4. 8 is 9, 10, 11 and 12. 2 is here. 1 is carrying forward. 3 plus 1, 4. And 4 and 7, 11. Otherwise, 7 plus 3, 10 and 1, 11. 112 total sweaters. Red and grey milke 112 sweater. Now what? More than 120 or less than 120? So 112 is more than 120 or less than? So it is less than 120. It is less than 120. Next, how many sweaters in all did she sell on the second day? In all means what we will do? Total. But क्या total? On second day. Second day में उसने red, blue and grey. Total कितने sweaters sell किए? In all. So we will do the addition. Red how many? Red on second day 40. Then blue on second day 23. And grey. Grey on second day 89. In all means what we will do? Addition. क्या करेंगे हम? Addition. Because we have to find the total numbers. 9 plus 3 plus 0. So 9 said 10, 11 and 12. 2 is here. 1 is carrying forward. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 8. 7 के अंदर 8 ऐड करो तो 7 से 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we will write here 15. 115. 52. 152. In all, total 152 sweaters she sell on second day. Now, it is more than 140 or less than 140? 152 is more than or less than? It is more than 140. Next, on page number 88, is Sangeeta right? Sangeeta right है या wrong है? That we have to check. Sangeeta went to the market with her grandpa. Now, see, some prices are given. Oil. Price of oil is 70 rupees. Then, biscuits. Price of biscuits 25 rupees. Then, ghee. Price of ghee is 127 rupees. 127 rupees. And rice of 10 kg. 10 kg rice की price है 150. Now some questions are given that we have to check. Sangeeta right or wrong? That we have to check. She looked at the prices and said to her grandpa, ghee is rupees 102 costlier than biscuit. Ghee is 102 rupees costlier than biscuit. That we will check because price of ghee is 127 and price of biscuit is 25 rupees. So what we have to do? We will compare these two and then means subtraction. And then we will check our answer is 102. Then yes, she is right. If our answer will not come 102, then she is wrong. Next, price of oil and ghee all together is more than rupees 200. Price of oil and ghee. Price of oil is 70 rupees and ghee is 127. All together means दोनों मिलके 200 होते हैं. 27 plus 70. No. So she is wrong. Price of ghee and 10 kg rice is less than rupees 300. Price of ghee. Price of ghee is 127 rupees and price of 10 kg rice, it is 150. Then is less than 300. दोनों मिलाओ, ghee and rice, it is less than 300 or not? दैट वी विल चेक, दोनों का एडिशन करेंगे, देन वो 300 से ज़्यादा है या लेस है, दैट वी विल चेक. देन ऑयल कॉस्ट ₹40 more than a pack of biscuits. Oil 70 rupees and pack of biscuit is, what is the price? 25 rupees. So वो ऑयल कितना रुपीज़ ज़्यादा है? 70 रुपीज़ है, लेकिन बिस्किट से कितने ज़्यादा है, कितने मोर है? फॉर दैट वी विल डू द सब्ट्रैक्शन, एंड इफ 40 विल कम देन अवर आंसर इज राइट. सो लेट्स डू. Price of ghee is 127 and price of biscuit is 25 rupees. Now in A, what they ask, ghee is ₹102 costlier than biscuits. 102 costlier than biscuit. What she said, 102 is costlier. So let's check ghee and biscuits. 127 rupees of ghee minus biscuit 25 rupees. 7 minus 5, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. And 1 minus 0, 1. So yes, 102 rupees. So in A, Sangeeta is right because she said perfectly 102 rupees is costlier biscuit and ghee. So ghee की price 100 rupees to ज़्यादा है. In B what she said, price of oil and ghee. Price of oil and ghee all together means addition, all together is more than 200. More than 200. That she said. वो संगीता ने बोला है कि प्राइस ऑफ ऑयल एंड घी ऑल टुगेदर 200 होते हैं या नहीं है. घी की प्राइस है 127 एंड ऑयल की प्राइस है 70 rupees. So 7 plus 0, 7. 7 plus 2, 9 and 1. It is 197. So 197 is more than or less than? It is less than. So she is right or wrong? She is wrong. So in B, C is wrong because 197 is less than 100 and then 200. C number. Price of ghee and 10 kg rice is less than 300. Less than 300. Less than 300 है या नहीं है? That we will check. Price of ghee and 10 kg of rice. Price of ghee is 127 and 10 kg of rice, it is 150. So let's check. 7 plus 0, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. And 1 plus 2, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 277. So 277 is less than 300? Yes. ये 300 से कम है. So in C is right. C is right. That ghee price of ghee and rice is less than 300. Now D. In D, oil cost ₹40 more than a pack of biscuit. 40 rupees more है या नहीं है? That we will check. Oil and biscuit. Oil and biscuit. Oil costs ₹70 and biscuit costs ₹25. We have to compare. 40 ज़्यादा है या कम है? 40 से more है या कम है? 0 minus 5 is not possible. So we have to borrow. 10 we will borrow. 1 10. 10 ones. And here it is decreasing by 1. So 7 has remained only 6. 10 minus 5. 5. 6 minus 2. 2 से 6 तक count करो. 2 से 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 4. 45. So price of oil is more than 40. It is more than 40. Right or wrong? No, because oil costs ₹45 more than a pack of biscuits. And here oil costs ₹40 more. She said 40 more than a pack of biscuit. So here in this is wrong.